Marill, the Aqua Mouse Pokemon, first appeared in Generation 2 and evolves into a Marill. When it was first revealed in Pikachu's summer vacation, people mistook it for a Pikachu evolution, and the rumors of Pika-Blue spread around the playground like wildfire. Nowadays, the buoyant blue rodent happily floats its troubles away as a Pokemon with huge power. To start out drawing Marill, you will need to start with a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be a circle. Next, you need to draw a curved line across the bottom. This curved line should only go about up a third of the circle. Now we add a face. I found it easiest to start with the mouth and nose. The bottom of the mouth should be fairly close to the belly, and the eyes should be on the smaller side and a little separated from the ends of the mouth. Now we are ready to add on some limbs. The legs are a U shape and the arms should line up with each other, the left arm being on the inside of the body. Now the ears, how I despise these ears. The length of each ear is connected. Now we have our ears in place, it's time to draw the tail, which is level with the ears, and be careful not to draw it too big. Draw a zigzaggy line to connect the tail to the body and double it up to make it a little thicker. Now we draw the inner ears, which is also a little bit tricky. There should be a little bit more width on the top of the ears and towards the center of the head. And the bottom of the left ear should be curved, ideally following the curvature of your original circle you drew for the body. Clean up your lines, and all that is left to do is color our little masterpiece. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, share it with a friend. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!